Understanding Renewal Request, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, renewal request. This is a common term used in various contexts, and understanding it can really help you in both everyday and professional settings. Let's dive in. A renewal request refers to the act of asking for something to be extended or continued. It's often used in situations where an agreement, subscription, or permission is about to expire, and the person or organization involved wishes to continue it. Think of it like hitting the Renew button on a service you enjoy and want to keep using. 1. Library books. Imagine you've borrowed a book from the library. The due date is approaching, but you haven't finished reading it. You would make a renewal request to extend the borrowing period. 2. Subscriptions and services. If you're subscribed to a magazine, a streaming service, or any online platform, you might need to request a renewal to continue using their services. 3. Licenses and permits. In professional or legal scenarios, a renewal request is often required for things like driver's licenses, work permits, or business licenses. When making a renewal request, it's important to 1. Be timely. Request the renewal before the current term expires. 2. Be clear and polite. Clearly state what you are requesting to renew and for how long. 3. Follow specific procedures. Some renewals might require filling out forms or providing additional information. 1. I need to submit a renewal request for my library book. 2. The company sent me a renewal request for my subscription. 3. Her visa renewal request was approved, allowing her to extend her stay. And that's all about renewal request. We hope this video has helped clarify what this phrase means and how it's used in different contexts. Remember, understanding such terms not only enhances your vocabulary but also aids in navigating various situations smoothly. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.